Look at that. All right guys, we're gonna do the second flight with this beautiful ME262. I've got it in safe, and let's see what we can do. Let's see if we can duplicate the maiden with this bright sunshine we've got today. Oh heck yeah. This flies so nice and easy, guys. Take it out of safe. I'm gonna try not to do too steep of bank angles. Look at that. I am loving this thing, guys. This just looks so cool. Just need a P51 out here with us. It's not even full throttle, guys. I think that was about 65–70%. So let's do a full throttle pass here. Full throttle. All right, we haven't done an aileron roll yet. Heck yeah. All right, the alarm is about to set up, so let's do a test approach. Come into land. Beautiful. I love this plane. We're gonna see how much is left on the bench coming up next. All right guys, 40% left in the tank. I've got the timer set to 2 minutes 30. I definitely need to bump that up a little bit with that much left in the tank. I do want to show you what I did in the box here. So you've got, if you're a belly flopper like me, flying off of grass, this is how you lay out the wheels with inside the box. There's not really something that goes on top of it, so I just toss a little shipping tape on top of it. Beautiful, I love it. With all that being said, like, comment, and subscribe. Check the links in the description. For John VHRC, GBLynden, out.